What does a vampire killing kit, a collection of antique cash registers, and some Beatles items have in common? They're all part of the Tallahassee Automobile Museum. So I traveled from Providence Canyon State Park in Georgia to Tallahassee, Florida, to visit longtime friends and former bandmates Steve and Becky Dady. I had no plans to sightsee until an auto collection was mentioned. So on the day I was traveling home, I figured I'd check it out. I knew something was amiss when I drove up and saw the horse and the DJ rig. I walked in and all the glory was right in front of me. We'll start with taxidermy, maybe. Then the handy vampire killing kit. Hey, you never know. Pianos of many colors and history. Guns, and a bomb defusing suit, of course. At this point, I had not walked 20 feet into the building just for reference. Around the next corner, dolls of all types. I ventured down the car collection, relatively small but with some great standouts for me, such as this gorgeous 1931 Duesenberg Model J and this 1957 four-door Bel Air with this nice chrome front end. Now you can't really have a car collection without riding mowers and a lamp or two and a funeral carriage. Continuing on the first floor, model ships rode above this sea of unique, while sort of spooky golf statues and clubs framed the ramp up to the second floor. Just more delight here. Cash registers and antique fans, Star Trek and Star Wars. Cool old radios I remember as a kid. Fishing lures, old outboard motors and wooden boats, and kids' pedal cars. Knives of all shapes and sizes. More awesome cars, like this 1961 Chrysler Crown Imperial, whose base price at the time was $5,577. This odd 1929 Graham Page Locomobile, an MGM promotional car. Oh, we can't forget motorcycles. Now, a couple of times, I just had to stop because it was such a sensory overload. Devo Moore is the rich gentleman who owns this. He is a local philanthropist giving millions to Florida State University and others. Though he espouses this as some type of testimony to free enterprise, I must be honest, it sort of struck me as a well-to-do hoarding, and I love it. Come on, where else will you find so many Bat vehicle replicas? You go, Penguin. To Devo Moore at 81 years old, who likes to work on his farm with his water buffalo and goats, I say thank you. I will return and suggest the Tallahassee Automobile Museum is something not to be missed.